All right, my peeps, I'm doing it again. I'm hungry, so I need to make something to eat. I'm gonna make carbonara today. Again, I can make carbonara almost all the time, right? Pepperoncino cheese, bacon, and eggs. That's it. Traditional way. I love it. It's delicious. There's my bacon, there's my cheese, and there's my eggs. There's my pasta. And it's all going in there together, and it's going straight down my throat because I am starving. Let's get at it. FYI, never break the pasta. Oh my God. Take a little bit of the pasta water. Nice. Pour it into there. Very good. And mix the cheese with the egg. Oh, that's gonna be delicious. Oh, yeah. There, the pasta is done, which I think it almost is now. I just take it out directly, put it directly into the pan. Oh yeah, that's awesome. This is gonna be delish, totally delish. Nice. And once you got the pasta in the pan, you mix it all up. A great sauce that's in there. And then, of course, take my cheese mixture with egg. And you gently fold it in. However that's done, like that. Totally awesome, and that's the sauce. Right now that this is all mixed in, look how nice and creamy that is. Wow, and no cream, ladies and gentle persons. Oh, look at that. Oh, that looks delicious. That is fabulous. Of course, I make enough for an army, so whoever wants to come over for some delicious carbonara, look at that sauce. Oh, so nice. This is great. I gotta put my money where my mouth is, so let me try some of my own cooking. Right? I think it's gonna be amazing because I do this all the time and I love it. Oh my God. Oh my God, that is amazing. I'm gonna go eat now. Peace up. Don't try this at home.